Welcome to my Smart Trader channel. Today I'm going to be analyzing Pakistan State Oil PSO for long-term investors, short-term investors, and retailers, intraday traders. So by using the least number of indicators just for confluence, rather using the key levels of support and resistance and trend lines, let's jump onto the bandwagon of trend lines. Now, just right before you, the weekly chart of PSO is open. So let me draw the trend lines. Some people cut the wicks and some people don't. So there is a logic behind it, but wicks don't lie. I believe wicks don't lie. We shouldn't cut the wicks. Sometimes, unless it is necessary to to understand the trend and to understand the congestion of the stock. Right here on the weekly time frame, you can see this is the resistance level that is of 220 or 21, but on the basis of trend line, the resistance would be 205. Okay, let me put the horizontal line there to be on the safe side. Okay, 200. So it's a 200, 206. Let me make it 205 like this. Let's go here and make it 205. The 205. Okay, so now you have to see the stock right went up right here and came back to the support and bounced back from the support, and it is now inching towards its resistance. That it is possible it comes down to this support and bounce back right from here, or it may break out right from here. So for the long-term investors, they have to make sure and they have to use at least the RSI and the MACD to be on the safe side. Let's see that. So that is, let me check this one. Okay. The RSI, on the weekly chart, is positive and is giving us the buy signal right here. Though the histograms are getting a little bit shorter, they're getting static. So, but doesn't matter. It is a positive signal, okay. And the RSI is even in the positive zone, hasn't entered the overbought zone after 70, but doesn't matter. It can enter and can go even higher than that. Okay, let's get into the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can see what are the areas you see. These are the areas, key areas you see of the stock to come down. But this would be the best one, the recent one. This would be the area like this. Okay, so if okay, if somebody wants to take the entry for the long term, so they have to wait for the stock to come down to this area. You see, this would be the area like 90, 93, 93 to 91, 193 to 192. This would be the area. So this should be the entry level for the long-term investors. So they can ride on this for a longer time. That's it. Now let's go for the entry in the long term, but then let's get to the entry level on the hourly chart. So let's go. These are the wicks. You see, the wicks don't lie. Wicks tell us the story of rejection, disappointment, and depression of the stock. You see, people are booking their profits, but they are telling you the story that they are not allowing the stock to go higher than that. So the people who bought the stock from the lower side, now they are booking their profits right here. Maybe because of the adverse or news or the international circumstances, which might not be favoring the stock at the moment, or there may be some other reasons also, because market accounts for everything and anything, right? Okay, let's go and let me uh, put some boxes right here. Let me change the colors to be on the safe side. Okay. Stay with me. You would learn many things. Okay, so today the stock is opened up right here and closed right here. With they did not. I mean, did not close higher than it opened. So to say the stock opened at 195 rupees and traded between 198 to 100 193.51 rupees and closed at 195.441 rupees. That means only that the closed 41 paisa higher than it opened. Okay, now let's jump to the hourly chart. Then I can explain it to you what I mean. Now you see this is the position where the that for the last few days the stock has been trading. Now let's go put the vertical lines right here to be sure that the today was the 7th September. Was it the 7th September? No. All right here. Okay, 7th September. This is the low of the stock today. This is the low, and this was the high. This is the support line which I created on the daily time frame. So from here to this area, if the stock hits the near about 192, so this is the optimal entry level for the long-term investors. Okay, now what I want to show you that they take the entry right here, but if there are the intraday traders, so they don't have to use this one, but they have to use this for reference. Let's go to check the MACD. What is the MACD telling us? Let's see. MACD is negative right here. It is not that much negative, but it is negative because they stock closed right here. Okay, and they and the RSI is also it's moving downwards, but it can move upward. Doesn't matter. Let's go to 15 minutes. Now on the 15-minute chart, you can see this is what how the stock was traded today. Started right here, came to this support level, went higher and made this one and created this resistance level and came down, was heading towards the support level and closed as the market closed. Okay, now tomorrow, what could be the challenges for this stock and for the intraday traders? They have to use the 5 minutes candle, right? Let's go. Now this is how the stock traded right here, went came down, went up, and came to the support level, and came again to the support level, went higher to the created the resistance and made a higher high of today, and was came to this area. Oh, was heading towards the support level. Okay, and made the congestion right here. They consolidated here for a longer time. Now, what is the strategy for tomorrow? For tomorrow's strategy is so simple. You can use like this. Okay, you have to use the MACD and other indicators that you believe most. For example, the moving averages or the Bollinger Bands or whatever you find very comfortable for you. Okay, so tomorrow we have to wait for the stock to come to the to hit and bounce from the support level. So if it bounces from the support level, we can take the entry right here. Okay, let's go, and we can go long right from here. Okay, and this would be our target. Okay, and this would be this right here below the yesterday's low would be uh, our stop loss. Okay, if we take the entry right from here and with the confluence of the MACD, if the MACD shows us after the rejection, for example, when the MACD, you see the MACD takes the turn and the histograms are also formed on above the zero level. So if it goes like this, then the red line comes here, and when it comes here, right here, so if we take the entry. Okay, So it is possible tomorrow our stock can go right here and maybe consolidate right here because of the congestion right here yesterday, and then goes uh, hits the yesterday's resistance level, or even can break the resistance level and retest it and go can go higher, or it can come back so where it started from. It is all possible. So you have to wait and see and find the confluence, find some indicators which work best for you, and read the chart and use the dual time frame, many time frames to be on the safe side and to take the best trade of your life. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest videos, and hit the like button if you like the video. And see you soon. Thank you. Take care.